Hey guys and girls, welcome to the channel. Well, in today's video we're going to do an unboxing and a seasoning of my new crashpad swag. Now the one I bought, they got an orange one, they got all these different colours you can get, and it's a single swag, but what I got is the Outback one. Why did I get the Outback one? Because I like the colour. The reason I bought the new swag is that King's one I bought a while ago, well, it wasn't really for me, it was for my nephews, and they've slept in it a few times, and teenagers being teenagers, you can imagine what this quality of the swag's like now. So I went out, I bought myself a new one. Now I've got a big trip coming up later on this year, and we're doing a full 2 weeks just in the swag, and I thought, well, I'll buy a good quality swag and see how she goes. So let's get this unboxing done, seasoning, and go from there. Now I'm going to be seasoning it a couple of times today, because it's a nice sunny day, it's about, you know, warm, and we'll be able to dry out really, really well. Okay, so let's get this unboxing unboxed. All right, they give you a nice cool sticker, which got crashpad written on it, which is pretty cool. Some zipper maintenance, some instructions on how to set up your swag and all the rest of it, and a few other odds and sods, which is pretty good. Now it's they tell me it's 420 GSM canvas, not that poly ripstop canvas, it's real canvas, so it's not pretend canvas. They give you a good quality bag inside. The zippers look like they're really good, you know, good quality anyway, and they've got crashpad written on them. We're going to actually season the bag as well, because that's what the swag goes into, so we might as well season that too. We get a bag, what do they call it, a vinyl bag, and what have we got in here? We've got some pegs, a patch, guide ropes, going to need those. The pegs, yeah, well, for the money you pay for the swag, I think they'd give you some better quality pegs, but I suppose they're giving you pegs, so it's not really something for enough, but they're supplying them, so what do you do? Let's see what's in here as well. Alright, we've got the holes for the swag in there, aluminium, which is always a good start today. Good quality aluminium poles, not plastic ones, so they shouldn't break. Our spreader pole, which goes like that, which is cool. Last but not least, the swag itself. It is fire box. Alright, that's how you get it. Pretty cool. Obviously a mattress. Now they say it's a 70mm mattress, and as usual, it'd probably take 24 hours to fully form out. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to set this swag up like we would if we're in the bush. And I've got a nice level ground here. It's a nice day. We're going to hose this off at least probably maybe 2 or 3 times today, get it well and truly seasoned and ready to go. So give me a minute and I'll set this up. Alright, we've got the swag set up ready to go. First impressions, build quality is pretty good. Nice canvas here. Notice here it's got a little catch here to help you access your zippers and things like that. Another thing I noticed, YKK zippers, not some old cheapo who knows where from brand. Inside is obviously the mattress is in there. There we go, 2 pockets up that end, little flaps. This still hasn't yet to be seasoned. Mattress fits from end to end. It's still got a bit more expanding to do. I'll just show you something with a mattress. It's an eggshell one. It's not just a boring flat mattress. It surprised me. It didn't say it was, but it is. So that should be nice and comfy. No need to get extra ones. So we'll see how that goes. Might be a new thing with the swags, but that's pretty cool. It hasn't got that sag that they all get, the King's ones and all the rest of it. It hasn't got those grippy ends yet. So we're going to season this one up now. Should be good. Tighten her up, wet it down, season her up. I've got the bag happening inside there. I'll show you what we're doing with the bag, and then we'll season this up. Oh, here we go. This is what I'm doing with the bag. I'll put it in the bathtub. I thought, well, if I'm going to season it, I might as well do it properly. I could do the same thing with the swag, but I'm not going to, because I'm already in enough trouble about putting the bag in there. So that should waterproof that up nicely. Because you think about it, that bag sits on your roof rack. It's the only thing keeping your swag dry. So that's well and truly seasoned, should be fine. Alright, let's get out and season that swag. Alright, we've done this basically the outside of the swag. I just want to get inside all these seams in here, because that's, if it's going to leak, that's where it's going to leak. That's where they're all stitched up. Better do this at home than out on the tracks and find out you've got a leak. At least if you're at home, you're not out camping, you're not sleeping in a wet swag, you can give it time for it to dry on a beautiful day like today. So we'll just get in here and do around these zippers and things like that, and get it nicely soaked in. Just, you know, just like that. Just give it a good soaking. Season it up properly. Alright, that's it, seasoned up, ready to go. The bag's been seasoned, the swag's been seasoned. Did about 3 times, get a good hose down. The mattress is expanded just beautifully in the swag, and it goes to full length. So we'll just roll her up now, pack her up, put it away, start using it. I'll do a follow-up review on the crashpad swag in about, I don't know, 8 months time, once I've used it quite a few times on my big trip. Alright, don't forget guys, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. These little, you know, it pays to stay to the end of the video. You get these little hints. The swag fits in the bag with plenty of room to spare. So I'm pretty happy with that. You can probably put your sleeping bag in there as well. If not, even your pillow. Well, that's it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.